I know. I know. Okay. Yeah, I know, but it's just too much to do. Really. Oh my god. Let me call you back, okay? Alright.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
You remember what today is, don't you?
No. What is?
It's Mom's remembrance.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, that's right. Wow. I can't believe it's actually been a year already.
Yeah, it has. And it's also your turn to make breakfast. Well, lucky you. Bumi has offered to help. So, later.
Is he ready?
I guess so.
Okay. So you add the fish.
Okay. So, Mom, should I add the vegetable now?
No. And you know why? Because if the vegetables stay too long in the sauce, it will lose its crispiness, it will lose its color, and also its nutrients if it stays long.
Can I go now?
Aren't you staying till the end?
Mom, I thought it was already the end. Like, we just have the vegetables left and we're done, right?
Yes, darling. But you have to know how long and the time. Taya, it's very important that you know these things. You're a woman. You're gonna have a family to feed someday.
Can't I just get a cook?
That is if you don't have a husband like mine. Sumbo Shadare.
Oh, yes, please, Mom. Remind me never to. I will not eat food prepared by strangers.
Don't mind him. Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't thank me. This is the second pair I'm giving you this week.
I know, Mom, and I'm sorry.
I want to see all of your stockings as soon as you come back from school.
Okay, Mommy.
Bumi, you're not a little girl anymore. You need to be more responsible. You can't be looking for your shoe and your stockings every time you want to go to school.
I'm sorry, Mommy. Sorry. Thank you, Mom. And I love you.
Love you too.
Alright, Mommy, let me rush to school before Dad leaves me.
Okay, fine.
not a child anymore, Mom. I'm old enough to make my own decisions.
I know, Shadi. We are your parents. It's our duty to make decisions for you.
No, Mom. No. What you're doing is interfering in my private life.
Shadi, I'm your mother. And I love you immensely. I'm older than you and well experienced in things like this. I know when a man is good for you.
So, because Frank is not rich, he's not good enough for me?
Shadi, that's shallow. When I met your father, he had nothing. He was living in a one-room apartment. But that didn't stop me from moving in with him.
So why, Mom? Why won't you let me marry Frank? At least he's even better than the way Daddy was.
That's what it seems. I saw something in your father that I didn't see in Frank. And that's drive.
What do you mean?
Frank just comes here, talks about his big projects. And when he's going to make that big break. When is it ever going to be?
But Mom, you know how things are in this country. It is not easy. It's not.
Don't make excuses, Shadi. Great things start small. There are few billionaires today who didn't start small. A driven man is supposed to make sure that he gets his goal. You know what your father had to do to make sure he raised money for the site? Frank just sits there, complains about the country, and does nothing. How long is he going to do that?
You're right, Mom.
It's okay. Okay?
Here we go. So, we'll see you later.
Sumbo,
Yes?
raise up your trousers. I want to see your socks.
They are clean, Chinwe.
Raise your trousers. Sumbo, please go and wear a complete set.
I couldn't find the other one.
So you want to go out looking like a clown?
Look, no one is going to notice it.
You remember what I told you happened to my father?
They used to wear ridiculously short trousers those days.
When you sit down, your socks will show. Here's the complete pair.
What will I do without you, Chinwe?
Walk around like a clown every day, I guess. Sumbo, what is it? We agreed no sadness.
I know. What is just so hard to take?
I know. But there is nothing we can do about it. Let's just enjoy the remaining days, okay? Off to work now. I wouldn't mind some good time tonight.
Are you sure you're ready for that?
Babeski.
Oh my boy, it's Babeski. Okay, then I'll see you later.
Shade, what is happening here?
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon. Tell me, what is happening?
Oh, we're having a memorial for Mommy.
Oh, so you remembered?
Yes, Auntie. We remembered the anniversary of our mother's death.
With a party, Abby?
Auntie, it's not a...
Shut up! Shut up! Keep quiet. Disco. You will jump and die inside this kind of thing. Sumbo.
Amaka.
Amaka, the witch is here.
Your words, not mine.
Sumbo, what is happening here?
We are having a memorial for Chinwe.
No. You are having a party for your friends, and you are using Chinwe as an excuse.
How dare you?
I dare you, Sumbo. If you really wanted to remember your wife, you would have carried everybody and gone to her graveside to go and spend some time with her. And not this stupid jamboree that you are having here.
We just came back from the cemetery 2 hours ago, Amaka.
It's still not an excuse to have a party.
Look, we are celebrating a wonderful woman, Amaka. A woman who loved life and embraced it. A woman who said we should smile whenever we remember her. We are celebrating an angel. That is what she would have wanted. Amaka, I know you loved her immensely. So get yourself a drink and let's celebrate a woman. A woman who puts sunshine into the lives of people. For your fullest information, she is my wife. She was my wife. Care to tell me what this is all about?
Wait.
Well, I just hope it's not one of your trouble-making antics.
I know that you all are wondering and asking yourselves, what is this witch going to say again? Don't worry. I don't care. This is the reason why I asked to see all of you. A year ago, I sat down in this sitting room and asked that your father here, Sumbo, allow you girls to come and live with some of us. But you refused. Remember? You, Shade, you were the ringleader, saying that you were old enough to look after yourselves. Even little Bumi here joined in the protest. And you, Sumbo, you were happy about the turnout. I had my fears. I had fears that you will not be able to look after these children and take care of them or give them the kind of guidance that children of modern times needed. But I guess that I was wrong about it. I look at them and I see ladies that are well balanced on issues of life. I look at them and I see ladies that their mother would have been proud of. So, I guess you have done right by them after all.
Well, thank you.
Sumbo, it is not over. I will be watching you. I will be watching you until these ladies marry and go to their husbands' houses and start living their own lives. So, my dear ladies, this number one Amosu that you see, this witch here, will be here watching you. Because I know that that is what my sister, Ifenyuwa Chinwendu Shadare, would have loved. I am leaving.
Auntie Amaka. Thank you.
You were right, Mom. You were right about so many things. Frank inclusive. He was just a bomb. But I thank God that I had you to open my eyes to it. I miss you, Mom. I miss you so much. More than I let it show. I know I have to be strong for the whole family. So, I pretend not to miss you so much. But I do. And I think about you all the time. Especially when it rains. I hate it when it rains. I hate it because I wonder if you're cold. I wonder if you're... I just wonder, Mom. I'll continue being strong. I'll smile. And I'll be brave. But I miss you so much, Mom. I miss you every single day. I do. I love you, Mom. Always. Always.
I'm smiling, Mom. That's what you advise we do whenever we think about you, right? It is so hard. But see, I smile. I smile when I make vegetable soup and people tell me it's lovely. I smile when people tell me I walk like a lady. I smile, but inside I cry. I smile.
Hi, Mom. You know, I have never been able to forget you. But I know that you know that you've always been in my heart every day. I'm sure you'll be glad to know that I no longer have to look for my socks anymore, because I lay them on my bed before I go to sleep. And I miss you, Mom. I miss you so much.
What can I say, darling? I could say it's been a year without you. But I know you've always been around, haven't you? I know you are there when I'm talking to you. I know that you watch me while I'm asleep. But I can't help it, darling. I wish you were here. I know you asked me to move on, find someone else. But how can I? No one can be like my Chinwe. No one can replace you. I haven't washed the pillowcase on your pillow since you left. I cuddle it at night and envelope myself in the warmth of your smell while it lingers on. I know the smell gets fainter each passing day, but not my love. My love for you will last till my dying days and beyond, Chinwe. And I'll make you proud of our daughters.